Hi everyone, Amy here, and I have a really quick little card to share with you today. It features some clean and simple stamping and an adorable mushroom. Now this is the I Will Always Love You stamp set from Flora and Fauna. I have a pre-made die cut from Simon Says Stamp. I have some lightweight gray cardstock, and here's a photo of the finished card that I'm going to make for you today. Came together super quickly, very clean and simple. Sometimes I like to just play around, and this card was a product of that. So this stamp set, I'm not sure if it's still available. If it is, I will link it in the video description box below, but it's one of those stamp sets that I've had in my stash for a long time and guiltily have not touched. So it's super adorable. It has tons of cute little stamps, but I've just never played with it yet. So today I am. Now this is a huge, massive box of removable sticker paper. This is what I use for my masking. So I will link that in the video description box below. I get it from Amazon. But I basically just use some residual ink on that little acrylic block and stamp this mushroom out so I can create a really quick little mask, so I can do some additional stamping on either side of this first stamped mushroom. Now, fun fact, I love mushrooms. I don't like to eat them, but I find them adorable. I remember even back to high school, I used to make little like mushroom necklaces, and I had a mushroom t-shirt, and I don't know what it is about them. I love the way they look. I love the idea of them. I just don't particularly like eating them. I will eat them in stuff. I will eat them. They're just not my favorite. I love the way they look, and I have a couple stamp sets with random mushrooms on it, and I think they're adorable. So here I'm coming in with a gray ink. I don't have a lot of neutral dye inks. I think I need to get more of those. This is, I think, a Nuvo hybrid that I have in my stash. But I did the ones on either side in gray and the one in the center in black. And I'm kind of just winging it. I wasn't really sure what I was going to do. And this Love You had actually fallen out of my sentiment book, if you've seen my sentiment storage. But this is a new product that I just recently found. It's micro dot sheets. It's a bit of a game changer for me. I do have another video where I'm kind of showcasing trying this stuff out. I'm super excited about it. So I will link that video as well in the video description box below if you want to see me trying it out for the first time. But basically it's a bunch of these little mini micro glue dots. I got to come back to a different area. I think I kind of did in a spot that had kind of used up a lot of the glue, but it's kind of like the sticker maker, the same concept. However, you don't get the little stringy bits that I struggle with. So this is a game changer for me. You can see all these little micro dots. So it's kind of like tape runner, but without the hassle, I guess. I don't know. I'm kind of in love with this stuff. So if you want to learn more about it, check out that other video. But basically you just kind of press it down and it becomes permanent adhesive. I have that gray panel kind of cut down a little smaller than A2 size that I had attached to a card base of Nina Classic Crest 110-pound cardstock, and I'm just going to stamp one more time for the inside of this card. So super clean and simple. Anyone can do it. Not much to it, and I just love it. Sometimes I like to keep it clean and simple. So I hope you enjoyed this idea. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. Like I said, I'll link what's available below, but I appreciate you checking it out. I'll catch you next time. Bye.